everyone, welcome back after a very long time. Oh god, it feels good to be back on YouTube. So, yeah, I'm alive. I'm doing very well. Everything's great. My electronic stuff is working again. And I decided to make a video what I eat in a week. So we're starting with Monday, obviously. And yeah, I just hit record and thought, why not show people what we're cooking every day in a week. This is gonna be the first video, obviously, and then I'll try to upload every day of the week. So yeah, if everything works out with editing and such, you should be getting a lot more content. The recipes are shown on the screen, hopefully, if I did everything right. And yeah, there is just not too much to explain about cooking. So first I did a yogurt, which is plant-based. I don't know, my partner is lactose intolerant and I honestly don't like the regular yogurt so much, so we're having a soy-based. I'm pretty sure it's soy-based. And then there's also spirulina, which gives you this blue-green tint. And then we made some sort of kebab, but it's also vegan. And for dinner, which you're gonna see in a while, it's not gonna take long. Yeah, for dinner, I think it was pretty much the only meat we had that week. Usually we're eating pretty much plant-based and a few eggs every now and then, but we had those bacon-covered cheese bits. They're quite delicious, but it's always that part of the food that kind of, yeah, ruins me. I'm not used to eating meat, and my body is not happy about it. But that's what you get. Anyway, maybe I should talk a bit more. Just me being back on YouTube, I suppose. I did a bit more art, but I haven't recorded it yet because I don't have a tablet anymore. I'm just working on my laptop, and digital art is a bit annoying. I'm not saying impossible, but it was easier on a tablet for sure. So I'm probably gonna do more traditional art in the next few weeks. And I thought I might go a bit more in the direction of lifestyle YouTube, just, you know, morning routines and workout stuff and cooking. And I don't want to stop art altogether, just not a pure art channel like I used to have. So if there's anything you would like to see, or you think that might be a good idea, then just leave me a comment. I'm running out of things to say. No, not really. Anyway, please enjoy the footage of this amazing food. That's my partner cooking, by the way. They're very good at cooking. I would say it was pretty 50-50. I did half of the meals and they did half of the meals. Oh god, it's so steamy. I shouldn't look at the footage while I'm recording. Oh, here's those bacon rolls I talked about. Oh yeah, before I forget it, you might notice those twisting food animations on the top left corner. I had this idea of, I don't know if anyone remembers the old Nintendogs, so every time you bought food you had like a package of milk or snacks just spinning on the screen. Very low poly, not extremely polished. And that's what I wanted. So Conin is studying game design and they also do a lot of 3D models. So I asked him to do a very basic, simple looking design because that's exactly what I wanted. It looks crumbly and crusty on purpose. I absolutely love it. It looks super cursed. Yeah, it's just like a mini model of what we cooked, and it has very many, well, it doesn't have a lot of edges, but it's very edgy. I think that kind of fits the description. And yeah, I'm gonna link them below. I would say their YouTube and their Instagram. They're also working on a little comic for Halloween / Inktober, or you know, whatever, just an October art challenge, but it's very cool and it's spooky. So I'm gonna link you to that. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I just wanted to clarify, Conin is a lot better at 3D art, but yeah, we kind of wanted this on purpose and it worked out exactly like I wanted it, so I'm not gonna complain. Oh, here we've got a beauty shot. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and see you on Tuesday, if I don't forget uploading, but see you, bye!